Hello everyone, today is Saturday and we're looking at prime numbers. Is 4 a prime number? 4 times 1 equals 4, and 2 by 2 equals 4. A prime number is a number that is only divisible by itself in 1. So 4 is divisible by 2, therefore it's not prime. Prime numbers are also greater than 1, and 2 is the only even prime number. So if we're going to write a function that checks if a number is prime, the first condition is to ensure that the number is not 2, 1, 0, or a negative number. Hence, over here, we check for precisely that. If it is one of those cases, it's not prime. Next, we run through all the numbers between 2 and up to our number in question, and we check if the number given is divisible by any number between 2 and the number in question. And if it is divisible by any number between 2 and the number in question, it is not prime. And so if test number 1 and test number 2 are okay, then we can return true.